Hey Planner fam, welcome back to Best Laid Plans. It is Wednesday the 22nd, which means that yesterday is when Onyx Storm came out. So I am probably reading all night. This is a monthly spread for January. It's going to be a bookish theme for the Empyrean series by Rebecca Yarros. I have a sticker kit from Sugar Pop Fizz. This is her Dragon Rider kit, and it's got all the different characters, and I just thought it was such a fun kit. I love the style. So I have that. We're going to be using that to create the monthly spread. I have one set of extra washi tape, and this is the Dragon washi, the ombre one. That was from the Sleeping Beauty collection, actually, from SimplyGilded. But I just thought it was really nice and it kind of matched the tone. So I have that on the bottom here of the monthly spread just to kind of even everything out. So I'm not going to do much talking. We're going to get started first with this part of the kit and just laying down the different washi strips that go along the tops and our days of the week. And then I will do full boxes, etc. And I'm going to play some upbeat, like, action music, I think, while I do this. So if you want to see how I'm doing my monthly spread with the Sugar Pop Fizz kit, just stay tuned. So my audio ended up cutting off in a couple places this week, so please excuse that. I did add some captions to show what's going on for those segments, though. Alright, so we have all of our full boxes down, and I have those placed where I want them. Now I'm going to be taking the little various boxes that are left for this kit, and I'm going to be adding them in various places where there are important holidays or dates, and then we will do our After the Pen for